Does anyone else get really suspicious when he like comes next to you with a bin bag and starts playing in the bin bag? Do you want a balloon, Georgie? Do you want a balloon? Just outside of Trafford Park in Manchester, we have the Bowers Exhibition Centre, which this year is hosting For Love of Horror 2025. So if we head on in, guys, the first thing you see in the Bowers Exhibition Centre, and then right at the very, very back, you have got the main guest speaker and talking section. So this is where as you come on the right side, you've got obviously the A, B and C photo shoots. People obviously have started queuing up for some of them already. Up on the main centre, right here in the Ballot Centre, you have got where all the talks are going to take place today. What I've just realised is that in the main arena, on the right hand side, so right over there and all along here and the back, these are actually the queues for the cast. So right in the main arena, you've got the screen there, you have got Central Legion Horror Cosplay Company. All of the stuff they do goes towards the Birmingham Children's Hospital. So don't hand obviously any of the items, but see some of the cosplay items you've got here. Followed obviously by the Sanderson police car. If you don't know what this is from, oh look, and the monkeys inside, which is great. So obviously movie prop Hot Fuzz. If you haven't been down to Wells, then I definitely would recommend it. The other section you will see as you come in through the main door is the Monopoly main kiosk bit here. So this is obviously where you got a lot of the signed images and the signed photos. These are all of the horror variant, and a lot of the funkers here are all going to be more of the horror face. So we've got Wendy Torrance, Morticia Adams, Oz, Jack Skeleton, and even the stuff on here is all going to be horror related. So let's head over to the trade stand section. Now this is obviously a lot smaller than normal, but with that does not mean necessarily it's going to be worse, because this is obviously all horror related, ready to the welcome of the love of horror today. So if we head around and like quite a relatively, that's a pretty cool cosplay. There's Jason Voorhees, he has been burnt to a crisp. So first up on the left hand side we've got Hell on shirt. Oh, House of a Thousand Corpses. On the right side we've got Cellar Door Gallery. These are obviously doing some of the gallery photo points. We keep looking at these t-shirts. How cool is that t-shirt? That t-shirt is so cool. Another trade stand we've got here. Look at these all hand painted and hand sculptured by Andy images that are all here. How cool are they? They are so cool. Then we've got Shire Arc. It's got some of these photos. How cool is that? That's probably one of the funniest scenes from the from the Terrifier. So these guys here are all a part of Shire Art, the Blackened Teeth company. Now look, jaw card holder with some candles. Look at those, they are so cool. The heart candle. Look, it's so sick and somewhat tormented, but it's so cool. And obviously this is for the love of horror, so there's going to be nothing here that's going to be normal in the slightest. Another company we've got here is Pigeon Creek Studio, guys. So on here we've got a lot of these skulls and some of these handmade items. How amazing are they? Even Adopt a Pumpkin. They are so sweet. We've got some more artworks and more photos. This guy obviously here right now is actually painting and pitching. That's some incredible work right there. So I carry on. So this is the Art of Fish, and he's doing some painting. Look at how amazing that photo there is. These are incredible, guys. So if you get a chance to get down here, guys, please make sure to check these out. These are incredible. So I really like this. This is amazing. I'm buying this. Tough, I'm buying it. So I was here probably for all of 5 minutes and I managed to buy something already, but it looks amazing. So on the back here we've got some of the Action Force toys again. Okay, cosplay of a Predator there. That's amazing work going on. A favourite that no matter what I do, I always seem to end up coming past here every single time, but this time we've got a bit more Halloween. And it's the Selena Gomez Oreos. I think I'm going to have to buy them today, because I seem to, every time I see them I want to buy them and I never actually get through to buying them. We saw this before with some of the musical items, and you've got some of the House of a Thousand Corpses up here, Lost Boys, Scream. Okay, so now we're going to head down this right hand side. So as you come in through the door here, we're going to head down the right side and see what there is down here, and hopefully not spend too much money. So we have got Dean of the Dead, who does, by the looks of it, lots of sauces and spices. We've got chocolate mint coffee with some incredible designs on them going through. Winnie the Pooh. So these are all obviously handmade, engraved the word. Some of this stuff here looks absolutely incredible. So different types of hot sauces. Then we have got Tails Arturia soaps. These are some bath bombs. I'm liking the Labubu one. I'm not sure the share price is probably doing as well. Buffy, Hocus Pocus. We've got Casper, Skin of a Killer. Look at the Freddy one. Sorry guys, we've got the Freddy one there. They are amazing, so check those guys out as well. Then right in the very back corner we have got Suckface Studios. Now look at this, some of these designs on these. These are absolutely, they look so realistic. So Suckface Studios, obviously the items on the store are not licensed but are for fair use as art. How cool are they even? How amazing. The amount of time and things that they must have taken them to do that is astronomical. So obviously there is a lot of trade stores here, guys, and obviously a lot of them are all, obviously, well, I say a lot of them all are, they all are Halloween and horror related. So if you haven't got your ticket yet, guys, make sure you try and buy them. It's for the love of horror in Manchester this weekend at the Bauer Centre. Good old Michael. I think we're just going to wander around. We're going to have Michael. Then we've got Art the Clown. You can't go wrong with Art the Clown. Nazi Zombie. Can't say the word Nazi because people get offended. So I'm not going to say Nazi. Okay, now on the back part, now obviously the queues for some of the things are all over here. But the back part, we have got the shed scene from Shaun of the Dead. Okay, if you want to dump a body down the thing, then please carry on. This set scene from Alien vs Predator, followed by Santa's Welcome to Santa Carla. Look at how good are they? Get close. I don't get too close to them, but you can see how much detail are in some of these things. Ghoulies right at the very end. Look at that. So normally you have these big ginormous photos that are showing like who's where and what's why and vice. But these are actually like TV screens with the details of them on. That's amazing, like a TV screen. We've got Doug Jones, the Doug Jones from the Hocus Pocus films. We've got Amy Donald, who is the guy who plays Megan. So Nick King, right at the end, who plays Bagul.
It's Bagul. It's Bagul. Bagul.
And then in the back part of the corner, in the area here, guys, we have got Dead Meat, we've got Marley Shelton, we've got Joseph Whipp, we've got Ken Kurtzinger, we've got Shannon Elizabeth. There's so many in here. There's also actually some more props down the back that I didn't realise. So this one here is movie merch. Terrified 2 Art the Clown with some of the Michael Myers masks. These are the original ones as well. Like, that's incredible. That's amazing. And then we've got Art the Clown Santa Edition. We've got some more Terrifier, including movable Christmas tree sunglasses. I want to find how much that is, because that is truly amazing. I want that as a Halloween art costume. How cool is it? And obviously there are lots of movie props and things down here all as well. I've actually just realised these are actually not costumes, they are models. And then some other bits and bobs down here, some obviously plushies. We're trying to work out who this big main queue over here is, right next to the main stage. Simon Pegg is right here, guys, all right? So right here. Some incredible cosplays here, guys. I don't know why, but there's a colonel, there's a colonel from the KFC cosplay. How amazing is that? Does anyone else get really suspicious when he like comes next to you with a bin bag and starts playing in the bin bag? I almost missed. Derry welcomes you, guys. Derry welcomes you. Do you want a balloon, Georgie? Do you want a balloon?